No one can dispute that Te Kōhanga Reo grew from the honourable intentions and voluntary commitment of our people.
And it's this legacy that's brought more than 1,000 people to the National Kōhanga Reo Hui at Tūranga Waiwai this weekend.
They came seeking both answers and resolution. Soon we'll cross live to Ngārua Wāhia, but first reporter Yvonne Tahana takes a brief look at the most recent challenges facing Te Kōhanga Reo.
It's a nest in a mess. The National Kōhanga Reo Trust Board is under investigation by the Serious Fraud Office and Department of Internal Affairs after allegations of misspending at a subsidiary. On Friday, King Tūheitia called Kōhanga Reo stalwarts to Tūranga Waiwai Marae to discuss restructuring options. Here's what they look like. Kōwhai, 11 board members, 5 appointed by 10 Kōhanga Reo districts, 5 selected by an electoral process, with 1 appointed to represent Tūheitia. Mātai, Kōhanga Reo would be organised into 9 rohe amita, 7 board reps drawn from these regions, plus 2 from Auckland and Wellington. Board tenure would be for 3 to 4 years. The under fire Te Pātaka Ōhanga would close. Rimu, the most complex model, includes a kaumātua council, 10 regional bodies, a 30-member Te Whare o Te Kōhanga Reo board and an executive board. Te Pātaka Ōhanga stays. Tōtara, 9 board members, 5 elected by Kōhanga whānau, 3 selected by the board, with 1 kingitanga rep. A new support body would be established. A $2.5 million deadline is looming too. The Education Minister has told the Trust that admin funding may run out in June because it's not supporting Kōhanga adequately. She's promised $92 million will still go to Kōhanga, raising the question, is a national board needed?